Assert AI's advanced computer vision solutions for manufacturing defect detection. Real-time detection of mold closure, preventing machine malfunctions and minimizing downtime. Accurate detection of imperfections on stamped metal parts. Identify weld bead defects under varying brightness, ensuring reliable inspection. Precise serial number identification on rubber tires, facilitating correct matching. Recognize subtle defects on spiral-surfaced metal parts, refining production quality. Quickly identify irregular-shaped welding defects, ensuring consistent welding quality. Enhance textile quality control, swiftly identifying and classifying defects. Accurately detect assembly errors in safety syringes, optimizing production processes and enhancing product reliability. Identify missing parts or assembly errors in laptops, improving yield and efficiency. Accurate detection of packaging defects in pharmaceutical blister packs. Automate defect detection on glass bottles, ensuring consistent product quality. Enhance the finishing quality of golf club heads, meeting consumer expectations. Accurately identify defects on plastic buckles, enhancing production efficiency. Leveraging AI anomaly detection, our system ensures the accuracy of safety certification marks. Identify printing defects opened can, maintaining brand reputation. Assert AI, get in touch with us today for advanced computer vision solutions for manufacturing defect detection.